Hello everyone, I'm Anuja Pathania and welcome back to my channel Amitan World. In this video, we are going to learn about the poem Wind. Let's start the video with an introduction of the poem. This poem was originally written in Tamil language by Subramanya Bharati. Later, it was translated into English by A.K. Ramanujam. This poem is all about wind. We all know that wind is a natural phenomenon. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind and describes the power of wind. He says that wind is destructive. He compares the destructive power of wind to the adversities of life and says that weak people break down quickly but strong people emerge out stronger. The poet conveys an important message that nobody cares for the weak, even the wind is on the side of the strong people. Therefore, we should make ourselves strong to become better and successful and overcome the challenges in life. Stanza 1 of the poem is Wind, come softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Important phrases mentioned in this stanza are poking fun means to make someone or something seem ridiculous by making jokes about them. Weakling means a person who is physically weak and frail. Explanation of this stanza is here the poet is talking to the wind. He asks the wind to come softly, then he says that the wind is destructive. When the wind blows strongly, it destroys everything. It breaks the shutters of windows, scatters the papers, throws the books down from the shelves, tears their pages, and brings the rain again. We can say that here the poet is describing the power of the wind. Then he says to the wind to look at the destruction that it had done. He also mentions that wind makes fun of weaklings. Stanza 2 of the poem is frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Important phrases mentioned in this stanza are crumbling means breaking or falling apart into small fragments. Rafter means sloping beam which support the roof of the building. Winnows means to blow the chaff from grain by wind or a forced current of air. Explanation of this stanza is here the poet repeats the word crumbling so many times to lay stress that when wind is very strong, it breaks everything. Houses, doors, the beams which support the roof of the building, all wooden structures, all bodies of people, animals, lives and hearts fall. We can say that the poet says that the wind god winnows everything that is weak, old and crumbling. It winnows weak people, weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters, weak wood, weak bodies, weak lives and weak hearts. Here, a comparison is made between wheat and people. As we winnow the wheat to separate the grain from chaff, the wind god separates the strong people from the weak people. When there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak or frail fall and get crushed. Stanza 3 of the poem is he won't do what you tell him, so come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly, practice to firm the body, make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Important phrase mentioned in this stanza is steadfast, means resolutely or unwavering. Explanation of this stanza is the poet says that the wind will not listen to us. It will come, so we should build strong homes and close the doors of our home firmly so that wind can't get inside. Then he says that we should make our bodies strong and heart firm to face the violent wind. Only then we can make friends with the wind. In conclusion, the poet conveys an important message that nobody cares for the weak. Even the wind is on the side of the strong people. Therefore, we should make ourselves strong to become better and successful and overcome the challenges in life, because the wind blows all the things which are weak. Only those things which are strong remain and flourish to become stronger. The friendship of the wind is good. We should praise its friendship every day like a god. With this, I am completing the video. Please like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel for later updates. Thank you.